Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna give a quick overview on my thoughts on Bitcoin and where it can go, or is this a fake out or what's going on, um, and a quick overview of my trade I took today. So I'll be really quick with this. So I'm an indicator trader. I trade with indicators, and I only use, I've been through hundreds, and once you go through a lot, you kind of find something that you really like, and you just kind of stick with it. So for this right here, as you can see, so each one of these little things you see is a check mark that lets me know like the candle is healthy. The color of the candle doesn't matter. It's just these checks right here is very powerful. Like, let's say you get one right here. This is on a weekly time frame as well. You get this one, you're like, okay, I'm going to YOLO and I'm going to go into the next trade, and then look at that, from 66 all the way up to 72. So it's a very powerful indicator. Repaint. So the way that it repaints is it doesn't like okay. So for example, so let's say this candle right now, current candle right now on the weekly time frame is good. It's saying that the candle is healthy. So if it can change to an unhealthy candle, but it takes a lot. It's not like easily swayed that much. As you can clearly see, each one of these close. So once you candle close, then you get confirmation, but it's not it's this color, it's the check mark, and then you go in and you're good. It doesn't work like that. It can actually change, but it's very accurate. I've been using it for many months. Like, it's a very good candle to help you stay in the trend longer. Just a quick view on the daily time frame. As you can see, first check, go in right here, came down. So these are two separate indicators, by the way. They're two separate. This one right here is very accurate as well. As you can see, it changed color. Whenever it changed color, stuff happens. I won't even lie to you, it happened, and it doesn't. This one I like because it doesn't repaint. Meaning, like, once it changes and closes, it doesn't like it repaints, but the way that it repaints is if this turns gray and the stock pushes up, then yeah, it would change back. But these two indicators together are very, very powerful, and it gave me a very strong indicator that this stock, crypto, was actually going to go up. But I didn't want to give it a false anything, so I didn't make a video about it. But just again, to be fast, this right now, this is another indicator. Even though they're lines, they're another indicator that I use. It's very promising, very accurate. So where can we go from here? This is scary. Not scary, but scary good. From here, we actually could go all the way up to 100,000, 100K. Like, I know that sounds weird, but at this particular moment, Bitcoin has room to run up to 100K plus. Not saying it will happen, because I haven't gotten a full confirmation yet. My full confirmation would be once this line, this yellow line you see right here, once the week closes, because this is a weekly candle. So in the next 5 days, I will have confirmation to say, hey, if this closes yellow, which I changed to yellow, it was actually green before. If it changes, then we're good. We got confirmation, just like down here. Got confirmation, we run. Let's go ahead in. Confirmation, we didn't, trade sideways, but got confirmation, we run. It's a very accurate indicator that I use. They're two separate ones, but they're very accurate. So that's my thought on Bitcoin and potentially actually running. It really looks possible. The health is there. The candle looks healthy. Only thing I'd be wary of, if you see any big significant drop, like down back to 68, I would say, okay, this is a little sus, But if it keeps pumping and it's really legit, it really looks, it could really go up to 100K. I know it sounds sketchy, but these are three separate indicators I'm using. All of them are very accurate. All pointing to the upside. Like, this is pretty interesting, but hey, you never know. I guess we'd have to wait and see. Ethereum, real quick, I would be wary of Ethereum because I do believe Ethereum doesn't have that much room to run up. Because it did top it. It doesn't have a lot of room to run up. It already did, so it might not run up as much as Bitcoin. Personally, that's what I see in the charts, but I guess just wait and see for that one. But it doesn't have much to run up yet. But hey, you could run with Bitcoin. So to go over to the trade I took today. Let's go over it real quick. So I was in CCL, another one of my indicator, tells me, hey, we're overbought. So I enter into some puts right here, all the way up. Not many people nowadays are buying puts into calls, right? Yeah, into big green candles, but my indicator is very accurate. So I got in literally just I was buying all the way up to here, and then we reverse right here. I got out right here, and I sold the last one up here, but probably could have kept it. I'll show you proof real fast. So as you can see, I was buying this one. This was T yesterday. CCL about 4 contract at 32, about another 2 at 30, and about 4 at 27. That's when you know you're confident in your trading because you're buying puts. It's kind of funny the way I trade is I actually buy more puts the more it goes up. Completely opposite of what people tell you to do when you're trading. But once you have a good system, it works very well. Then I sold right here at 35 because I had an average of about 30, and then I sold the last one at 34. I personally shouldn't have sold it honestly because it was one contract. My stop loss was at 33. I could have kept it and just let it kick me out naturally, but I did just like I don't want to lose, so I did actually sell it. But I sold it somewhere right here, but as you can see, it seemed like it's gonna keep going down, which my prediction usually is down to like 15 or something like that. But let's see. It was a very strong day. So what I'm actually waiting on, believe it or not, is another push up. I hope that it will actually push up again tomorrow, and I have a system set up right here, alarm system waiting, and saying, hey, this is the top. So if he pushes up even higher tomorrow, I'm going to definitely go back in and rinse and repeat the same process. Again, overall though, guys, just be safe out there, man. My chart's telling me that this market is not the same market you were trading 2 weeks ago. This is a completely different beast. This is completely different. I'm not sure what's going on, what the stock is waiting on, but I'll definitely be wary. All the stocks that's popping up, like almost all of them, I mean, to be even a little bit faster, all of them, and Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, all of these stocks are all just